Hi everybody, welcome back to Cruise Travel Life, and today we are going on another cruise. Well, we're not getting on the cruise today. We're flying today from Raleigh in North Carolina to Miami on American Airlines. Getting ready to get on Oasis of the Seas tomorrow, but yeah, so we're going to head off to the airport. It's about a 2-hour drive. Hop on the plane to Miami, about a 2-hour flight, and then we will be in Miami for our cruise tomorrow. So see you guys on the way to the airport. Alright everybody, on the phone because my camera is literally dug in my bag, and I'm going to get it out in a minute to film stuff around our plane. Walking to our gate, we are C22 in Raleigh, so we're in Raleigh, but that's the gate all the way at the end. So we're at like just past C6, we have to go all the way down there, and I can't point because I'm holding on to my suitcase, so about halfway there, taking pictures of all the planes along the way that aren't obstructed because the gate situation is a little weird here. And then we get board in about 20 minutes, and our plane is about 10 minutes out. So see you guys when we get on the plane. Alright, everybody made it on the plane and do a quick seat tour. It's a little crammed. I feel like these RJs are a little smaller, but we are on the E175. You have your seat back. Let me see what I'm doing. Tray table. Nice, I can't see where I'm pointing. There we go. Nice and big. It is not extendable. Seat back entertainment with your Inflight entertainment, your seat back, or your safety card, and your barf bag, plenty of under the seat storage. Headrests are adjustable. I cannot see what I'm filming. And yeah, so gonna set the GoPro, do some stuff for takeoff and landing, and we were gonna get off to Florida. Alright everybody, wrapping up our travel day down here to Miami to board Oasis of the Seas tomorrow. So because travel days are hectic and hard to film commentary in the middle of the day, and you know, because mid-flight's noisy and all that, I'm going to do a little bit of a recap here. So, did the normal departure airport stuff when you check in, check your bags, go through security, all that fun stuff. And on the takeoff, my GoPro suction mount decided it wanted to fall off the window. So that's why the takeoff video is a little shorter. I did get it back up and running. But yeah, so hopefully it works on our way back. If not, I'll just hold the camera. So then we had dinner, and now we've just been sitting around doing nothing. And we're going to continue to do that until we go to bed and wake up and go on Oasis of the Seas tomorrow here out of the port of Miami. And today we are boarding the Oasis of the Seas here out of the port of Miami. We're on a 7-night Eastern Caribbean cruise. So let's head over to the port and get on this amazing cruise ship so we can have an amazing week on board. Come along with me. walking on the gangway, getting ready to get on the ship. Knock out muster drill, get lunch, all that normal boarding day stuff. So we will see you at lunch. Alright everybody, we have had 3 lunches. We went to Sorrento's as soon as we got on the ship. We went to Port Cafe, and then we went to a local Fresh. Now we're gonna wander around. Still another hour till the room's ready. They're ready at 1. It's about noon. Going to just wander, check the ship out, take video, take pictures, and probably go check out where our dining assignment is too. Alright everybody, rooms are ready. We are on a Central Park balcony. So let's head on in. Slowly close the door. Don't slam it. So I'm gonna set my room card down. Start with the bathroom. Sorry, I literally ran here. So I'm out of breath, and I think I just turned the light off. Okay, start with the bathroom. Do better than Ben. Shower capsule. We'll get in there in just a second. Me. Got your 3 shelves and your 2 cups. Nice. Sink. Storage with a trash can. Your toilet. And your shower. Standard capsule shower. And then now when you come out, you have your bed. The light off, wrong light. Then I got that out. Okay. You have your nice bed, which can be split. We'll start with the closet. Your safe. Ample hanging room. Nice shelves. Shelves there. Your dressing press paper. Your bed, which is a couch bed. This room is a couch bed. Ample plugs right here. 3 plugs right there. Which reminds me, I'm going to check the phone for a USB. No USB, so you just have these 3 solutions right there. Still plenty. Your 3. Your papers with your person tickets that you get. And then, yeah, so you have your nice chair. Head out to the balcony. Central Park balcony. Next, we're on deck 12, right by the elevator, the forward elevator lobby. We have a beautiful view. Central Park. Now let's continue on with our amazing boarding day activities after a nice room tour. Alright everybody, it's about 2 o'clock and ride the Ultimate Abyss now.